Hello everyone, Jessica here, your Facebook advertising expert. Now this week's tip, I'm going to give you some tough love. Boosting Facebook posts are going to get you nowhere. If you're a serial booster and you're clicking that little boost button like you're playing on the pokies, you might as well be throwing your money down the toilet. You see, when you click the boost button and you get a few more likes and comments on your posts, you feel good about it, but that's not really going to grow your business. There is a secret formula to success on Facebook, and I'm going to share it with you today. Put simply, when you create engaging, relevant content paired up with Facebook ads done correctly, and give yourself time and remain consistent, what you end up with is an engaged audience. Now, what an engaged audience is a group of people that are starting to become familiar with your business and your brand. They're getting to know you, they're starting to like you, and eventually they'll begin to trust you. Take, for example, myself. Why do I come on video every week and tell you all my secrets? Quite simply, I want you to like me, I want you to know me, and eventually I want you to trust me so that when you are ready to advertise on Facebook, that was my dog Meg, when you are ready to advertise on Facebook and you want to learn how to do it, guess who you're going to call? I'm hoping it's going to be me. When you have a highly engaged audience that know, like, and trust your business, that's how you're going to get more inquiries, and that's how you're going to grow your business. If you're feeling a little overwhelmed and you don't know where to start, I highly recommend you download my book, Mistakes Local Businesses Make and How to Avoid Them. It's going to give you a great starting point on how to strategize and how to grow that know, like, trust factor. Until next week, everyone.